Munhu agone kuwana chivindi chekunopaka mota padho pemumwe murume achipika mukadzi wemumwe murume achibuda naye imi muripo. Inovharirwa mota. Munhu akaponorwa zvakanaka haambodzoka futi. Hamuna mukadzi wemunhu muno anotorwa nechikomba varume vemuno vakatarisa. Never. Before we start the meeting, we will start fighting about who will give us the opening prayer. Before the meeting starts, someone has sucked and left. Don't know what name is you. You Saka dreams on the say. As me mashura kan. Uyoti wenyara unzo ndinyara sandisi mwana wako. Meeting yacho yekukumbirana regerero aizoitwa vanhu vanotozorovana panotozodedzwa mapurisa ipapo.
Yo, it's like okay TV, right? That's an overview channel started from today whereby we analyze and criticize videos. Guys, right now I came up with a very interesting video that is going to change your life as a Zimbabwean. Change your identity also, from Apostle Chiwenga. You know, my Zimbabweans, we are loved, cherished. Nekuda kwecharacter yedu tinonzi tinoshanda, we are hardworking, tinonzi takadzidza, but somehow tinomakwawo also. And today we are here to point out why Zimbabweans achizombovengwa, you know, and why is it we have got this identity crisis? Why is it we can't stand up for ourselves against our enemies or against forces that we do not like or that we do not enjoy their presence? Kune vasingandiziva tanga kusvika panapa nonzi God K. This is God K TV. I welcome you. If you want to advertise by this channel, the number is on the screen. If you want to talk to me by WhatsApp, the number is on the screen. If you want to support this channel, the number is also on the screen. Panapa tinobvumidza kusubscribe mahara. You just look for a button rakanzi subscribe mphone mako, then you hit it, and then we are good to go. So let's get into the video. Tumonza what Apostle Chiwenga vane message yekuti kudini asi.
You can't be strong against the enemies when you are always fighting amongst yourselves, children of one nation.
Yes.
Look at what Zimbabweans do. They are ill-treated everywhere they go. And one of the reasons why those who ill-treat us succeed, it is because we hate one another ourselves.
Yes.
You barely find a person who chooses to say something positive about other people. Most of the people who comment on social media, if they are Zimbabwean, they are good at saying negative things about one another. It is when the person has died that they try to find compliments about him. But the person died believing that he was a horrible person.
Yes.
So when you are a bastard nation, your energies are wasted exponentially. And you can't compound your strength together to achieve one great thing as a collective. You understand?
Yes.
If you want to see where Zimbabweans are united, go to a political rally and go to a soccer field. That's where you see some semblance of unity. Vari parali ipapo, mumwe anodonha nenyota pazuva, asi mumwe aine chitulita chine mvura. Vanozoita GoFundMe kana akufa ari muICU. That's a society of bastards for you.
Yes.
One of the manifestations of bastardism is disunity. Unity is a force, something you can't achieve by yourself. If you bring 9 people together, you can achieve one thing within a short time of a period of time.
Yes.
And this is why the devil hates unity. You understand?
Yes.
If Zimbabweans were united, they were going to speak with one voice about many things. Not just political issues, even community issues.
Yes, yes.
I will show you something that I was imagining and realizing something that the Spirit of God was asking me to consider. And I want you to ask yourself this question as well, believer. Think about this thing. How is it possible that in a society of united people that care for each other, love one another, how is it possible for a man to only find out 5 years later that his wife is cheating on him? She has a boyfriend that drives her home every other day when the man is working in another district, in another town. The people of this community, the men of this community, whose wives also are at stake in this matter, they watch this other guy dropping a married woman, kissing her. They watch it happening and they ignore it. How is it possible?
Yeah.
If we had a proper society, there is no man who could find a space or a room to find himself alone with a married woman. Because if you are a man, then how your neighbor's wife is treated matters. Because in your absence, the same people who are wasting another brother's wife, they will waste your own wife.
Yes.
We must be hearing that a man was taken to task. And I want to suggest that there must be a legislation to criminalize adultery. If a man is found cheating with a married woman, it must be a prosecutable offense.
Yes.
Because you are destroying the very essence of the family unit.
Yes.
These men are only going to work because they have a reason to do so. They have a wife.
Kune avo vanga vasingazive adultery haisungise muzimbabwe. If you go to mapurisa obva wati ndatyirwa mukadzi ndakamburwa mukadzi, they won't arrest the person. So ndozvotaura na Apostle Chiwenga wins. I wish they could criminalize adultery.
And children at home. So what happens if you destroy his marriage? There's no shortage of single women in this life.
Yes.
If you want a woman, find a single woman. It's as simple as that.
Yes.
Mukadzi wemunhu ndiye aita sei? Munosiya shuwa. Mukadzi akaroorwa achibuda motikari mangwana makagara pabridge so. Muchitoseka kuti murume wacho rima pana chiri kuzivikanwa. Zviri kuitwa uyu mukadzi uyu makatarisa ndo zviri kuitwa wako kune imwe nzvimbo. Vamwe varume futi vakatarisa. Ndiyo saini yekuti tine society yakazara mabastards.
Yes.
Mukadzi wehama yangu ndinofanirwa futi kumeka sure kuti haasi kushandisa hama yangu mahara.
Yes.
Murume wemukadzi uyu ari kuswera ari kurara ari mumugodha achichera ko achipuwa mari isingakwana achiti ndikushandira mhuri yangu. Mukadzi ari kutorwa nezvikomba usiku achidzoswa kuseni imakatarisa. Saka muri varume pakuita sei? Because the word men, it means the protectors of the community.
Yes.
Munhu agone kuwana chivindi chekunopaka mota padoo pemumwe murume achipika mukadzi wemumwe murume achibuda naye imi muripo. Inovharirwa mota. Munhu akaponorwa zvakanaka haambodzoka futi.
Yes.
We are not doing it for this man alone. We are doing it for the sanctity and the decency, the dignity of this society.
Yes.
Hamuna mukadzi wemunhu muno anotorwa nechikomba varume vemuno vakatarisa. Never. You understand?
Yes.
Yes. And we will not stop talking about this. A man who cheats with a married woman does not deserve to live. He must die. Both of them must die. And that is how we are going to have a decent society in the nation.
Yes.
to take away the scourge of bastardism. I have to say something about bastardism before we go. Bastardism is the reason why when you are told the truth, instead of correcting the issues that are raised, you want to bite the person who is telling you the truth.
ndo pachona patachida kutaura guys baba natomboda kutaura kuti what if you tell the person kuti mukadzi wako ari kukamburwa obva atanga kutokuataka iwewe kuti hey wakazondiudzire hey mune makuhwa akutoudza mukadzi wake kuti aiwa beba vane godoneswa. What if that happens?
It's bastardism. Yes. I can assure you today, if you were not a bastard, you would love the truth. Yes. The truth is like medicine. It heals you of your wounds. It gives you true healing.
Yes.
But if you are flattered with compliments, it's like you are taking a sleeping tablet when you have a gangrene rotting. One day you are going to lose your arm. In Zechariah chapter 9, let us see what we can read there. Read from verse 1 to 6.
The burden of the word of the Lord in the land of Hadrach and Damascus shall be the rest thereof.
When the eyes of men, as all of the tribes of Israel, shall be toward the Lord, and Hamath also shall border there by Tyrus and Zidon, though it be very wise.
And Tyrus did build herself a stronghold, and heaped up silver as the dust, and fine gold as the mire of the streets.
So he's saying, even though the Gentile nations are rich, they shall amount to nothing.
Yes.
Because they are a nation of bastards.
Yes.
They don't observe the standards of God.
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
Something that someone only took 2 years to achieve. You have been trying to do it for 20 years.
Yes.
Why are you this weak? You try to work as hard as you can, but the results never come out.
Yes.
It's because of bastardism. Yes.
Behold, the Lord will cast her out,
Behold, the Lord will cast her out.
and he will smite her power in the sea,
Yes.
and she shall be devoured with fire.
Yes.
Askelon shall see it, and fear. Gaza also shall see it, and be very sorrowful. And Ekron, for her expectation, shall be ashamed, and the king shall perish from Gaza, and Askelon shall not be inhabited.
So this is a prophecy of the declining of all these kingdoms mentioned.
Yes.
Because of their abominations. Verse number 6.
And a bastard shall dwell in Ashdod, and I will cut off the pride of the Philistines.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
I will cause Ashdod to be a kingdom of bastards.
Yes.
Munenge musina anything to take pride in. I will cut off the pride of the Philistines. I will cause Ashdod to be inhabited by bastards. Guta rema bastards. Vana vasina baba, vana vasati vabona baba, vana vasikatomboziva mazita ababa wavo, vana vanoswirirwa lavai. Guta rema bastard. Ashdod of the bastards. I almost gave this title to this message. Ashdod of the bastards. Now imagine that God is pronouncing punishment upon a pagan nation of Philistine. And God is saying, when I punish you, your cities shall be full of bastards. Imagine that the issue of having bastards is a punishment. And consider that we are a kingdom, a nation, a continent of bastards from this part of town into that part of town. Everyone is a bastard. And we consider ourselves highly blessed. Mwari ari kuti ndikakurova ine shamu ndichazadza guta reashdod nemabastards.
Yeah, highly cursed.
And I will cut off the pride of the Philistines. How do we find proud bastards? Because according to Zechariah chapter 9 verse 6, when a nation is full of bastards, it has lost its pride. When you are a proud bastard, it's a sign that you are beyond the standards of Zechariah chapter 9.
I am beyond.
But I want you to consider this, believer. Consider that with their idols, the Philistines were not bastards. They got married properly. Vafilistiava vakatozonzi ndichakurova imozoita zvenyu mabastards. Vasina mwari. VaPhilistia vakanga vasiri mabastards.
They knew how to marry properly.
Vachinamata zvifananidzo zvavo asi vachiroora zviri proper. Vachizvara vana zviri proper. Vachirera vana vavo zviri proper. How can a woman post a car celebrating that her daughter is gifted her with a birthday gift of a car when the daughter is unemployed? You are worse than Ashdod.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. Worse than Ashdod. Worse than Philistine.
Yeah.
Makatengerwa foni nemwana aende kubasa aende kuchikoro anongopinda mutauni odzoka aine foni nyowani. Muri wese kaimi kudarika vepaashdod. VepaAshdod vakanga vachinzi mastandards avo achatozodzikira kana mastandards ekuashdod adona. Guta reashdod richazara mabastard. Zvino kwenyu munhu wese ibastard, amai ibastard, baba ibastard, vana sekuru mabastard, vana mbuya mabastard. Ndosaka uchiona kuti kunyara kuno kunetsai. Munotozoda kuti mutukwe kuti mutange kunyara.
Yeah.
Mabastards vanhu vasinganyare. Mabastards vanhu vasingataurike navo. Kuti ngatigarei pasi sevana vemunhu mumwe. Tione kuti takatadzirana papi. Kana ndakakutadzirai ndokukumbirai ruregerero. Kana imi makanditadzirawo mondikumbirawo ruregerero. Towirirana. We are a family. You are my brothers. I am your brother. This one is my sister. A family meeting is impossible to have when everyone is a bastard.
Yes.
Before we start the meeting, we will start fighting about who will give us the opening prayer. Before the meeting starts, someone is sacked and left. Don't know what I'm saying. You want to say that dreams don't data see. Ask me the master again. We want to nyara unzo andinyara sandisi mwana wako. Meeting yacho yekukumbirana regerero aizoitwa vanhu vanotozorovana panotozodedzwa mapurisa ipapo kana ari mabastards. In the days of the holy nation, a judge in Israel like Gideon or so and so, he would send a message and all the warriors would come and say, if we are fighting or an enemy has declared war against us, all the sons of Israel must put their hands together.
Yes.
We will fight the enemy. We don't have differences. They lived peacefully. Imagine that Jacob had 12 sons and they all got along with one another. You are only 3 of you. You last spoke to each other 6 years ago. Amsati mataura mese muri 3. Jacob aive nevanakomana 12.
Yes.
12 baba, mitumba ye 12 varume. They ate from the same table. That's a blessed nation for you.
Yes.
Amen.
Guys, mumwe atori one hawirirane naiye. Iye pachezvo akahawirirane naiye. Inenge tori benzi, rinenge toita zvemadrugs. Ari kutotadza kutokunda maaddictions emuviri wake. Anenge achitorikireta some of the things zvaari kuita. What about Matu?
You can't make peace with others because you are a bastard.
Yes.
Instead of speaking to your brother and ask to clarify matters, you would rather block them. You don't even know whether the gossip you heard about him is true. You are not willing to ask him about it. You are not willing to verify. You are rather willing to spread the matter amongst your own close people. He said this about me, even if you consider it yourself, but nyaya dzinotongwa here nemakuhwa, handiti nyaya dzinogarirwa pasi. Ko kana uchimuda sehama yako, madii kugara pasi. Wotaura nyaya yako, kana wapedza wonyarara uyu otaurawo uyu. Iwo chiteerera kuti ari kuti kudii. Iwe unongonofarira kuti vanhu vagare vasingawirirane iwe. Have you discovered, believers, that there are people with whom if you talk about your difference with another person, all their suggestions will never to solve the dispute. They will give you advice to escalate the tension between you and the other person.
Yes.
They will give you smarter ways to punish them, better ways to make the situation worse. That's bastards for you.
Yes.
Bastardism. I wanted to submit to you that we are what we are today. There are many reasons. Bastardism is not the only reason. But I said it contributes a lot, up to about 60% of what is ailing our societies today. So huge was this matter that God did abolished, banished bastards, even from coming to him for help.
Amen.
Yeah, I hope Matsurika. I hope Matsurika because I'm a Simba Matsurika. Mazimbo Matsurika plus Anzi Nyara food. I'm also Nyara me. But I remember Panepatakambo Nyara Senika like some time ago. Panepaka speed because of Potoro de Go Diga Pepa, Pepe Takanyara Senika Pepa. Rushika to Zona Fresa to Shkapakto release a song. Ah, Pepa Makisa guy. And the other thing is Mazimbo Tino Quata. Fear. Aiwa mazimbo tinefi. I don't know kuti tingati tiri too civilized here oro tinokwata. Zvokuti vanhu vakangonzi ngatidai so o mazimbo. Mazimbo tinokwata. Eni kana tichitaura kuti mazimbo tiri kukwata kamuri kuziva ndiri kutaura nezvenyaya iyi. Handisina hangu kuitaura but iyoyo yauri kufunga iyoyo ndonyaya yatiri kutotaura. Yaunotya iyoyo yauri kutya iyoyo. So this has been it, guys. You now know kuti kuvengo kwedu mazimbo oro kudzvinyirirwa kwedu is not because of those people vari kutiita. It's because of us. We allow those things to happen to us. We are not united. We are not willing to love and sacrifice for one another. I just hope kuti video iri kudzidzisa kuti wherever you are, stand for another Zimbabwean. Kana chiti stand for another Zimbabwean, hatisi kuti ukaona munhu achirohwa wopindira unoona kutsemurwa handitika, but iko kungotiwo musarwe handitika, kana kutiwo ukaona wane nzara ungonomubetserawo out there overseas vari kunana South Africa, Varunana, Botswana, UK and stuff. Help each other, Zimbabweans. At least you mukaratidzawo kuti makabatana. Wherever you are, people will learn to respect you. Remember kuti kudhara, the reason why slave trade yakanetsa is because it's us black people who were selling black people. Asi varungu vakasvika vakarambirwa nzi maya titengesane kuno vototaka nemabwe. Vairespecta the way of living yevanhu vatema, but instead what do we do? Taenda totonocapturana totengesana, we lose respect and muzviona manje. So I just hope madzidza, kana wadzidza this video, don't do much, just subscribe, ungolaika, hazvazvimbotora kana maseconds. So I will see you on the next video, guys. I will keep posting each and every day.